Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me still trying to catch up to Leetcode Weekly Contest. They just changed the UI, right? Because even yesterday when I did it, it wasn't like this. Um, I think I'm up to... Actually, let me double check real quick. Yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. I thought I was up to, maybe I think it's bi-weekly 171. Sorry about the technical difficulties. Hope everyone's having a good time. The last one I did was 477, so actually no, I lied. I thought I was already on the. I guess maybe there were 2 new contests yesterday or something. Or I think maybe they also changed. Yeah, okay, that's why. Because I was sorry for the weird long intro. But I thought everything, because I thought I was already up to the first page, but because of the new UI, they changed it from 10 on the first page to 8 on the first page. So now I'm back on the second page. But I'm doing Weekly Contest 478, which, you know, if you're watching from you get the title, you probably know what contest it is. I do not, but yeah. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe button, join me in Discord. Yeah, I don't really have much to say. Let's YOLO, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's hit practice. Why? I wish they just jumped to it directly. Like, why would you start a contest and like not go? I don't know. Like, let me start a contest and then make a cup of tea. All right, let's go. Oh, we have a medium Q1. That's, you know, something. All right, At least K elements in a way that's strictly K greater than it. N is actually big, so it's not an N square solution. Elements 1 and 2 has greater than self. Okay. Okay, so then now I mean, this is really it. It's just that I'm trying to be a little bit careful, I guess, right? The strictly part is a little bit interesting, but I mean, I guess I was going to do some sliding window thing, but or pointer things, but actually, you know what? You know what? Let's not make it more difficult for ourselves, right? So let's just well, actually, we still need this. Something like this, and we're hopefully good. Maybe off by 1, 3, 0. So definitely off by 1. Why 3? Why? Am I bad? I mean, I am, because this is Q1 and I'm struggling. I am a little bit rusty. I just came back from traveling, I guess. So 1, right? So N is 3. This is, 2 numbers are bigger than it. Oh, I misunderstood this problem for some reason. But I mean, it's still the same thing, but yeah. So okay, so if this is greater than K, then total uniform. Okay, I don't know what I was thinking of, but okay, looks okay. Submit. Okay, we're Gucci. I think there is, like I said, a 2-pointer solution, but I don't know. I'm not ready. I'm fine. All right, Q2. A and B, okay. Are they only A, B? No. Okay. So the answer can be at most 26. Right, so what am I looking to do? Maximum number of substrings. I don't get this. Isn't it just the number of unique characters? Or number of, yeah, I mean, why would that not be the case? Like, you can always just start a substring with that and then, right? Am I confused? Okay. I was hoping, like, I almost was hoping that I was wrong so that I could not be confused, but okay, that's a silly one, but it's fine. The mirror pair is that I is before J, reverse, reverse is the reverse digit. Alright, I mean, this is pretty straightforward, just look up, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, I mean, something like that, right? Probably I'm wrong. Wait. Oh, I'm confused about this farm. I just kind of thought it was the count up to. Okay, I just did the count. Okay. What am I doing? I mean, same idea though. Minimum absolute difference. Okay. I mean, that's still today I don't know how to read. Well, maybe that's most days. This is okay, and that's pretty much it, right? Wrong though. Why? I mean, I might not handle the zeros correctly. 21 reverse is 12. That sounds right. Did I look at the wrong one? Why is there no mirror pair? Did I do it in? I guess maybe I thought it was either. I thought either way it doesn't matter, but maybe it does, which is why it's confusing. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I think we just have to go the other way. I thought that yeah. I mean, I thought that it actually didn't matter which direction you go. But actually, maybe I just didn't think about it carefully enough, which could have been an easy wrong answer to be honest, but it just didn't pass the examples, which is lucky. Okay. How am I doing on time? Minute 22, an hour 22. People are very fast. 1 minute on Q4. That seems crazy. Alright, you're giving normally K and exactly K. Alright. So K is constant. And K could be big, so no K shenanigans. Query is not that big. With these problems, one thing that I always try to do is see if we can process the queries instead. Maybe we can, I don't know. I mean, the K part is easy. It's just the mod, right? So then it's just about how do you calculate that? Well, you calculate it by, so it's the sum. So okay, so the median value is what you want, right? Probably. Is it the median or the average? I guess average, actually. I mean, median works, but actually, does it? No, it's the median, right? So then now, no, it's definitely the median, right? So how do you get a median of a range? I don't remember anymore. Because once you get the median, then it is just a sum, and the sum is easy, right? So how do you get a median of a range? Can we pre-process? That could be tricky. I don't know how to do it anyway. Is there a median seg tree? I mean, I guess the median is the hard part, right? Is it median? I'm pretty sure it's median. No, it's the median. Yeah. Okay, I mean, first we do a binary index tree on the min and the max of a range over mod, so that if not every number is the same. Okay, that's easy. Median, how do you find a range medium query? Can I do square root decomposition? What is the complexity here? Was it 40,000? Is that what? 40,000 is 200. So n square root of n, 40,000. Let me just plug in the calculator. 8 million. I guess it is squared with decomp then, right? Probably. Annoying, but okay, fine. Is that true? But then you still have to do a log thing for each query. Square root of n times log n times q is going to be too slow, right? Can I pre-process these? Can I do some sort of sliding window? What is the? I'm thinking of like that walk thing. Square root decomp walk. What am I thinking of? What is it called? What am I thinking of? I think I got it, but I forgot what it is. Oh, excuse me. Don't have my water. Okay. Because I'm thinking of how the segments do, right? So that is literally just what is it called? Screw decomposition. It's like a special one. Mohs algorithm. It is Mohs, isn't it? Okay. I mean, I guess that's it, right? I guess that's why people got it so quickly. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not gonna get it that quickly. It's been a while. We'll learn together. I think I did it like a couple months ago, but I've only done it like maybe twice in my life, to be frank. So I'm not like it's been a while. Okay. Let's give it a try. How much time do we have left? We have an hour 12. Yeah, that sounds reasonable. Let's give it a try. I might be wrong, honestly, but it's fine. So we use Mohs for median, maybe? Yeah, that should be okay. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe it's still too slow. But first, let's do a. This one. I'm trying to find my thing, but trying to find my code, but. Okay, fine, I can't find it. Because my server is down. I guess I haven't checked it out. Yeah, I guess I don't need it. I guess I could use ARMQ, right? Yeah, good enough. Probably could roll them in the same thing really, but what we want, right? Let's go reload. Right, okay, so we have it for min and max, and then now yeah, so then in theory we pre-process these, right? So okay. Oops. Right, and then now for XY, whatever, left, right, in queries. Then now what we want is if right, okay, else then we can't just put it somewhere, right? So left, right, and index. What do we sort by again on most? We sort by the block. Now, okay, yeah, you have to do a block thing. That's right. It's slowly coming back to me. Maybe. Yeah, maybe I could put this in here actually. Okay, so. This is gonna be slow because I don't remember that much, but okay, so block as you go, just go B as you go to N, square root of N, right? So then now it is gonna be, yeah, we just sorted by L, right? Okay, well, yes, but actually we do want to maintain it. So this is the sort. Say, we could probably clean it up, but that's maybe okay. Should we just return this anyway? They should at least give me a 1 negative 1. Yes, we do have a negative 1 in our midst. These should not be erased though. I think they're just nuns. I don't know why they convert them to arrays, but okay, fine. Okay, and then now, okay, oops. We don't care about these technically. Now that they're sorted. Let's go left. Something like that, right? And then now we go while left is greater than left, then we go smaller. I don't know why I lost the one. So okay, so that means that we're adding numbers. So then now we're adding num sub left. This is a little bit, I mean, now the invariant should still hold from, okay. So here we want to add this, and we just, what do we add from? A sorted list. Okay. And then now while right is less than R, we expand, we add, right? While left is less than L, then now we shrink. Oops. Okay, I might have done this in the wrong order actually, but maybe I think we move those in the wrong order. And then now the median is going to be, we still need a sum. We need to do like so many things, but the sum is easy, right? We just do prefix sum. Right, because then now, did I just skip that part? I guess so, maybe. So the idea is that, okay, you have the median, everything bigger will go down. So it's not just a sum, right? We have to do a track on this. Do we have to track on this? I remember this part because this is the part that like in the one of the two contests I won, I had to do this part with a rolling median. It's not a prefix sum. I'm thinking of a different problem. But this is so annoying to do, unless people have code for it. Okay, so we have the median, and then now it's just about now figure out the median. How is this not a more point wide? I guess people know the answer to this one maybe. Sum left 1 hour. I mean, I guess it is the way it is. Okay, well, we just have to track. which is hard. But actually, before that though, let's print it out real quick. Print SL, see if it's right. 01, okay, 14, 02, 147, 1, 00 is not an input though. Did I do them in the wrong order? It's possible. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Oh, there is a 00. Sorry. Okay. So I was looking at the wrong thing. I was looking at the wrong. Okay. 1 and 2. Okay. 02 is not possible, so that's why. 00 is 1. We're Gucci. 2, 4. So we get the median very easily. And we want to round down, I suppose. Okay. So then now we just have to keep track of the deviation from median. Yeah. That is annoying. How do I want to write it? When we add a number, what does that mean? And we could track the rolling median and then track the rolling thing to the median, but it's just such annoying maths. Am I doing this weirdly? Maybe. But I think this is the way to do it. So this gives me the median. I thought I could just do the sum and it becomes easy, but that's not true. No, I don't think there's it. If only we can get only the sum of the bigger numbers and the smaller numbers, but yeah, we have to keep, I mean, it's fine, we have to keep track, I guess. That is annoying, a lot more annoying. Yeah, I mean, we just have to do the 2 heap way, right? And then once we have to sum, it's not that bad, but I feel like people have this pre-written. Yeah, I'll write a class for it. I feel like I have this somewhere, honestly, but I don't know where it is. Let's just use sort of this. I could use heap, but is that worth it? Okay, so when we add a number, what happens? Let's say, okay, invariant is that and then the no, I mean, we can do this, but the idea is still trying to. No, I mean, I guess that's fine. I think all we need is track left sum. Okay, and we just kind of do it every step of the way, right? When we add here, right? So then now, yeah, okay. It is annoying, but it is fine, maybe. So then now, if self.left length of this is greater than self.right plus 2, then we re-index it. So then now the biggest number, right? something like that, right? Add is easy, but subtracting, removing is hard, maybe. Okay, right, so then now if x is in south left, then I guess maybe not. Maybe we should try to the duplicate case I'm trying to think through a little bit. Alright, let's just do it this way. We'll just normalize. Okay, so if right got too big, then we want to take the smallest number and we move it, right? Yeah, because then now, oops, then now they should be equal. Oh, actually, well, now they should be, left should be bigger than right plus 1, right? So the invariant is that right is equal to left plus 1. We could probably assert it, actually. Okay, and then now if, well, actually, I guess this part we can just copy and paste. Maybe we even use a helper, but I think this is fine for now. Okay. All right. Okay, so then now the median should be a decorator, but or it should be a property, but okay. Yeah. But we don't care about the median actually. I mean, we do, but we want the delta, right? So then we have the median, and then it is the sum on the left side, right? So then left minus median times the other way around, because median times the input south dot left. Yeah, what I've left out. Nope. White symbol should be bigger. I mean, we probably just slap in it. Slap a thing to it, but okay. So this should be actually still not correct because we didn't take account K, but that's easy. Is it delta? What do I call it? Delta, right? Okay. Okay. As we said, oh, the -2 actually is pretty bad. 3 is probably not bad, not good either, but that's okay. I thought I was just going to do this, but I mean, this, no, okay, let's see what's going on here, right? But at least this should be a frame. I think we're mostly done. Ooh, I could submit by accident almost. Okay, so we have 0, 1, and let's, we have 1 and 4. The median is 1. The delta is going to be 3. So yeah, so that seems good. Right. I could do some in my head for these numbers. Okay. Oh, the white delta. Did I mess up the signs? Well, the sorted list is just wrong. So it's okay. So there is some inconsistency here, which is fine. Did I mess something up? Clearly. So we add the 7. Oh, I don't rebalance. I'm dumb. I actually I make the same mistake a lot, so this is actually dumb. Okay, so we have to figure out. Let's just write rebalance. Maybe I have to double check that one actually. I think I make it. I don't know why I do the same thing with the heap. That's okay. We can fix this. Now we just don't do that, right? We want to write if x is less than or equal to sub dot left the biggest number, then we just add it, right? Or maybe just the smallest number on the right side, because then we can just rebalance, right? Otherwise, then okay, so this okay. Am I good enough to remove some print statements? I'm good enough to YOLO. I don't know if I'm good enough. Is it good enough to, is it fast enough? I'm not even trying on a big thing, so I might even timeout. But I mean, timeout I'm okay with, honestly. I think complexity-wise this makes sense. But yeah, I mean, it may just be a Leetcode thing, right? So what it is what it is. I'm missing about 100. No, only 40. I don't know. Well, let's see. If it's only this case and it still fails, then maybe. But 4 seconds. What is n here? N is. I mean, the sorted list does make it slow for sure. We do a lot of random things here. There's no denying it, but at least we're correct. I'm trying to think whether I 4,000. That's not even that big, honestly. Let me do a thing real quick. Just to see if it would time out. If it times out, then maybe I have to re-look at my mouse. No, I mean, it's still pretty fast, right? Like, so maybe it is just one of those things. Well, maybe it's just slow on the queries, not this, so maybe that's why. So maybe we can do. How many queries do we have actually? So n doesn't matter as much. Queries 3,000, right? So maybe we do something like the same thing as before. If it times out, then we know that we have a queries issue. No, it's still the same time, so I think it's just Leetcode not being great. I don't know why this is so slow though, but am I missing something on the thing? Am I messing up on the? Right, let me see if I'm just gonna chat GPT to see if I can convert this to Java. just to see if it's fast enough. Because I mean, at least it's correct, which is what I was hoping for anyway. I mean, that's what I usually hope for, because there's no point of hoping for it to not be correct. But yes, wait. No, I don't know. I'm not that confident about this one, actually, to be honest. I mean, I'm happy that I use most. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe, I mean, because 4 seconds for one thing is a little bit long. Maybe this is not just, maybe this, the way that I'm doing it is not fast enough. I have to think about one more thing. It's certainly possible. Right, this looks fast, right? Is it right though? I don't know, actually. I mean, if it's wrong, it's wrong. Maybe it like overflows or something. It's fine. Oh, this is so dumb. This is why I don't do contests anymore. Python just like, you know, Python gets no love. And I was stressing out a little bit about it. I mean, not that stressful because it's not, you know, but. I mean, it's nice even on a fake thing to finish top 100, and is because, you know, Python Leetcode things are bad, but how do they people do it? What's PST? I mean, I guess that's what I'm doing. Oh, I mean, basically, it's what I'm doing. Right? I don't know what PST stands for. I'm curious. Yeah, I mean, this is basic. Yeah, I mean, this is basically what we're doing. I mean, maybe there's some. Actually, I don't know if that's true, but nonetheless, it is very similar to what I'm doing. I mean, that's what I was trying to do, but then I got lazy. With the min and the max. Oh, that makes more sense actually with the min and the max. Oh wait, no, they did it with a segment tree. I thought they did it with bit. Instead, bit is, I don't know. But it seems like my idea is basically what people are doing. Okay, that's just not readable, but okay. Source table. Oh, PST means persistent segment tree. I didn't use a segment tree, right? Okay. I mean, I didn't use a segment tree, so I was wrong in that. That's what they were using for the median. But they do have this query range, which I kind of thought about this using a segment tree, but I thought maybe there's a way to do it. But I don't know how to get the thing about it. So I guess maybe sum left. How do you get sum left? Maybe there's some counting thing. I don't know. I don't know. That seems weird. I mean, I'm using square root decomp, so it's hard to say that I'm not using some crazy thing. I guess that doesn't load because I'm not a real contestant. But yeah, I mean, I'm using RMQ and square root decomp, so it's hard to say that I'm not using high machinery. So who am I to say about segment trees? Am I done? I guess so. I mean, I wish Python was fast enough, but I mean, probably combine this, but I don't think that's the issue though. So I don't know. I mean, it wasn't even close. Right? I spent 4 minutes on it, so if you want to tick off 9 minutes. Would you want to be better? Was that 41? So I would have been like, well, I mean, you know, still tougher. Like if you want to pretend my Python solution worked, that would have been like 55th or so. Anyway, I don't know, whatever. That's all I have with this one. Let me know what you think. It doesn't seem like people did it with square root decomp like I did though. Actually, maybe this person did, I think. This kind of looks like what I'm doing. So maybe some people did it with square root decomp, but not with the majority. And definitely people in Python doesn't seem to have done it that way. That person just didn't seem to do it in any way. I mean, this is square root decomp, so why is mine so much slower? Oh, they used it with bit, huh? I didn't know that you could use that with binary index tree. Maybe I have to do some reading. That sounds more like the intended solution. I mean, the idea is the same. We just have different data structures. Did I say data different structures? Different data structures. I'm having a stroke. Yeah, different data structures. So I don't know. Anyway, I'm happy that I got it. I it's kind of funny because I feel like I said, I've only done most algorithms like twice before in my life, so this is the third. And you may ask me, because I'm curious myself, like how do you come up with it? I think, and maybe I'll talk about it a little bit more on the actual video. And this is kind of like a little bit of retro. Let's do a full retro because I don't remember the other problems anymore. But the idea is just that, well, I knew I needed to get the median, and that's just from problem solving. I'm not going to go into that just because, you know, that meant to be a full thing. So once you get the median, and I did the rolling median thing, it's just because I was thinking about like, so the visualization that I was visualizing is that, okay, now with all these segments, I was trying to figure out how to do like a sliding window thing, honestly. Or not sliding window, a sweep line, sorry. A sweep line thing. And then in that visualization, I was like, well, no, you do a sweep line, you have to move the right endpoint left and right as well, not just sweeping the left. And then in that visualization of moving the right endpoint left and right, I was like, oh, wait, can we do square root decomp? And I just didn't even remember the name. I've done it only twice, and it's not something that I, you know, well, I've only done it twice. So, yeah, I don't know. But I had to search for the name because I don't know, just, I don't remember it. Yeah, no, I'm happy that I got this one. And apparently it's hard, so, yeah. I mean, I don't think this would have been legit during the contest because I think nowadays they like give you some crap for converting from Python to Java and stuff like that. I'm sure no one does it in Java like this, but, well, I guess it's, whatever. I mean, look, if you don't want me to convert from Python to Java, make the Python solution work. You saw what happened. I mean, maybe it's not the most efficient, but it's still like, you know, clearly it worked in some languages, so I don't know. It is what it is. Yeah, anyway, that is all I have with this contest. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. This is my top ranks in a while, actually, even in virtual, which is kind of nice. But yeah, stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.